Greetings, brothers and sisters. We are here, Brother Air, Professor Spira. We are here at the Columbus Jazz and Rib Festival.
Keep a bad and it's want to get busy with me.
Yeah.
And I got a Bentley. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
We are about to go observe the human condition
and report back to all of the plant-based and vegan properties that this is where your money is going to.
Indeed.
This is a city event paid for by the city. So
your tax dollars hard at work.
Thank you for the pork plate. People still are addicted to poison. This is normality. This is still normality. So we have so much work to do, people. You know, we need to get us a few funnel cake trucks because they just work everywhere.
Right.
Life. This is life. This is life. Yeah. That's life.
So there's hundreds of these all over the place. These are big trash cans. Look at how big this is. To collect the filth. And I'm always fascinated by how big. Just is like a big, instead of flat, like it doesn't just look like a flower pot. That could be a tree or flowers, but it's just a bunch of pus waste. Here we go, grab.
No vegetarians here.
Yeah. Vegans, please stop asking for vegetarian options at the rib festivals, please.
I'm telling you.
Absolutely ridiculous.
That's crude. Very crude.
They got the armadillos. Grab my slab.
Okay, so let's go with armadillo.
Oh yeah. Let's go.
See, what you see is the typical Sunday evening getting ready for their second or third meal of the day.
Yeah, right.
This is definitely not the first meal of the day.
No, it's like the second or third meal.
So look for the line that they are willing to stand in.
Wow, I mean, people will stand 40 minutes, 50 minutes.
They actually are up the hill.
Yeah.
To get to, I mean, and this stuff is very expensive.
Yeah.
I mean, you talking.
That's a cash only operation here.
Yeah, cash
$18. 4 meaty rib bones and 2 Georgia slides for $18. We got a full rack special, 12 meaty rib bones and 2 Georgia slides for $35.
Now, the indication from this from the people is this stand is gonna make bank tonight.
Yeah, they gonna do
all weekend. They throwing down.
Right.
You know, it's birthday cakes for everybody here.
Yeah. And they got the side. They got $3 potato salad. It's probably the cheapest thing on there. And it's probably a real tiny little thing. And they got coleslaw, hickory, pit baked bean. Got some collard greens.
So as Baby Bobby G used to say, show good eating.
Show good eating.
And then my father is Dominican, so like on his side it was salami and
yeah. Yes.
And for breakfast sometimes we'll have that. He would make the fried cheese to get some flavors.
Oh wow, fried cheese. How do you fry cheese? Right here.
Okay.
This is when you know you're cooking for real. When you get a trophy. This is the deal here. trophy. This is a trophy. Pork chops and baby back ribs and briskets. Oh no.
Right.
Boy. This is not the place
they
for
got
the vegan to be set up.
So this one, they got the fresh cut fries, the chicken tenders and fries, along with the lemonade and the sweet tea.
Squeezed lemonade.
Fresh
man,
squeezed.
I'm telling you.
Fresh squeezed.
It's unbelievable.
They got the cow and the pig, and they're giving you an education on the truck where sauerkraut dog, the birthday soup dog.
That's like,
oh wait a minute, it says it can be made vegetarian or vegan.
Oh wow. We got catfish.
What'd you say?
We got catfish.
Catfish. Catfish.
Catfish.
Catfish stand. What's going on, brother? Yeah.
Oh man. Give us a smile. Deep fried pickles. Just don't get no better than this.
Oh man, I mean this is just.
Just don't get.
You after you eat this, you can die and go to heaven.
Isn't that a hospital right there?
Yeah. It's like you're ready to roll.
Okay, so yeah, man, it started getting harder the more I would fast, and I was like, it got to the point where I just turned it off and I just refused work.
Yeah.
You know, I was like, I can't play with you anymore, and I had to just truly follow my heart of learning about physiology was what I was going to do now. Music was secondary. Learning about physiology was like the priority. So everything shifted.
Yeah.
And I basically faded gigs out as much as I could without being just completely rude or just unethical about it.
Right.
And then once I kind of was off the scene, and everybody kind of got the word, you know, that I was kind of off the scene, and I would get calls asking what happened, a few cats, and you know, hey, what, you know, but it was just that. The fortunate part of it is I had kind of a war chest that I could live off of.
Right.
And that's what I did. And I just got deeper into the practice of the Mucus-free diet because that's all I had to worry about. I'd have to worry about getting up and going to work and taking care of children. Or it was just about me and my exploration into this new system that I was practicing. So that's what proved it to me. That's why I'm still after 40 years of that's why I'm still into the system just as hard as I was into it 40 years ago. I'm into it just that hard, even more aggressive now. You know, more into it. So because it has proven itself to be what it is. The system works, and there's nothing more important than the breath. That's what we worship. That's what we should be giving thanks for, is that breath. And so with the information, with the system, and having that understanding about breath, it's like, the game changer. So that's what I've been doing, man. It's just, I always tag, stay on your post. I've been staying on my post. We come and set up on the outside of this.
Yeah.
Not in here, but we smelling the smoke and just looking at all the ridiculousness of deaf culture mores.
Right.
You dig? So it really gives you a real sense of how people have been turned into zombies. And so, but I know everybody's not a zombie. But you know, you have such a vast array of different cultures of people who relate to the same thing across the board. No matter what culture they claim, they can relate to eating pork chops.
Right.
You know, they can relate to eating catfish. They can relate to eating baby back ribs. They can relate to that.
Right.
No matter, you know what I mean? And then you have all the folks who come from different countries who get Americanized to all this nastiness. And it's just like a celebration of ignorance. That's what this is. A celebration of ignorance. Profound ignorance. And so, you know, we come down to try to like make this little expose of it. And it, you know, I mean, we joke and we try to clown it, but you know, the human in us is really sad for us.
Yeah, yeah.
As a human species, and the undeveloped people.
Right.
You dig? We have a feeling in our heart for that is happening to us. And so we do what we can do to try to change this culture, you know, to a life culture, because this deaf culture isn't working. You dig? It's just not working. So we have to develop a life culture, and that life culture starts with controlling what you put in your mouth. So, I mean, you hear me? You hear us say that all the time, but it's really, we need to keep hammering it, you know, where people really get the kind of work that you have to do on yourself is so consistent, the collateral damage is so heavy, generation after generation backwards, that we have to overcome. Man, this is definitely the separation from the little girls and the women to the women, from the little boys to the men. This is man stuff.
Yeah.
You talked about in your last video, one of the videos, all these little soft batch ass people. And so, isn't it good that even inside of the mucus-free diet healing system, practitioners, we can find out who's soft or not before we get in the trenches with them. And we're talking 3, 4, 5, 6 years. It takes that long. What do you say? Look to the right, look to the left. And in 5 years, they won't be here. You see what I'm saying? So we seeing that this is that serious. So yeah, man, everything reveals itself because we know what we're doing is on the right side of things. You dig? So everything reveals itself in time, man. So you just give it time and everybody just kind of reveals what they are and what they're about. And so, you know.
Yeah.
So yeah, man, we listening to who is this over here? This is Kurt Whaler.
Yeah.
Now he's the saxophone player that used to be on tour with Whitney Houston. So I wonder if he ever talked to her about her drug addiction. Like Whitney, come on, man, let's stay out here and play some music. Let's don't get caught up, you know. A lot of them don't do that. They know it's happening.
Most of them don't do that. I mean, they
know
talk.
It be happening.
That's how you get fired. What's it say?
Brisket,
right, where's that? Where's the pork butt? Yeah, Air Day coming up this weekend. All right, so thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time, peace, love, and breath.